Investing in the stock market can be an intimidating prospect for beginners, but it doesn't have to be. Investment geeks like Ray Dalio and Warren Buffett are two people you need to look into for strategies and tips in that case. So let's take a look at some of the key stock investment strategies that you as a beginner should keep in mind when stepping into the world of stock market. Number 1. Diversify your portfolio. Diversifying your investments is like spreading your money around to make it safer. Ray Dalio has a special way of looking at this. He says you should see the world as it really is, not just how you want it to be. In the investment world, this means you should know that some investments might not do well, and some could even lose money. Dalio tells us that diversification is a great way to lower the risk of losing money. He says that if you have 15 different investments that don't all move in the same way, you can reduce your risk by 80%. This means it's more important to have a smart mix of different investments than to try and guess which single stock will go up or down. For beginners, diversifying means putting your money into different types of things like stocks, bonds, or real estate in different parts of the world, using different currencies and for different periods. By doing this, if one of your investments doesn't do well, the others can still make up for it. It's like not putting all your eggs in one basket to keep them safe. Diversifying your investments is a smart way to protect your money and make it grow over time. So remember, it's not about putting all your hopes on one stock, but about having a well-balanced mix of investments to achieve your financial goals. Number 2. Invest in index funds. Warren Buffett has some advice for regular folks. He says that unless you have a lot of time to study and research individual stocks, it's best to avoid them. For beginners, it's a smarter move to invest in something called index funds. Now, what are these index funds? Think of them as teams that try to play as well as a whole group of players. These teams copy the performance of a big group of companies, like the S&P 500, which represents a bunch of top American companies. You can join these teams by investing your money in index funds. Buffett suggests a strategy called dollar cost averaging. It's like putting a set amount of money into your investment team on a regular schedule, say every month. If you're already contributing to a retirement plan through your job or making monthly payments to an individual retirement account, IRA, you're already doing something similar. One cool thing about Buffett is that he once made a bet in 2007. He said that a simple and low-cost S&P 500 index fund would do better than fancy investment funds chosen by experts over 10 years. He won the bet. This shows that for most regular folks, investing in index funds can be a really effective way to grow your money. It's like being part of a winning team without having to be a stock market expert. Number 3. Understand interest rates. Ray Dalio, the smart investor that he is, talks a lot about something called interest rates. These are like the prices you have to pay to borrow money. Understanding interest rates is crucial for investors. Dalio has a famous saying, "It all comes down to interest rates." This means that interest rates play a big role in deciding how much money you can make from your investments. But here's the catch. Trying to predict where interest rates will go is really hard, even for the experts. So instead of trying to be a fortune teller, Dalio says it's better to learn why interest rates change. For beginners, this means knowing that interest rates affect different things, like bonds and stocks. When the economy is doing well, interest rates might go up, and this can have an impact on your investments. When the economy is not doing so great, interest rates might go down, and that affects your investments differently. So the key is to understand how interest rates work and how they can influence your investments. This knowledge can help you make smarter choices without having to predict the unpredictable. It's like knowing the rules of the game so you can play it better. Number 4. Eliminate credit card debt. Warren Buffett offers a crucial piece of advice. Tackle your credit card debt. Why is this so important? Well, credit card debt often comes with very high interest rates, which can seriously harm your financial well-being. Imagine owing money on your credit card with an 18% interest rate. That's quite a burden. What Buffett suggests is making the elimination of this debt your top financial priority. It's akin to making a wise investment in your future, because the interest you save by paying off that debt is often far more than what you could earn from other investments. For beginners, the plan is straightforward. First and foremost, concentrate on paying off that high-interest credit card debt. Make it your primary goal. This is like shedding a heavy financial burden that's been holding you back. At the same time, if your job offers a retirement plan like a 401k that matches your contributions, don't miss out on this opportunity. It's essentially free money. Once your credit card debt is history, you can redirect the money you were spending on interest towards investing and growing your wealth. In a nutshell, if you find yourself with credit card debt carrying a high interest rate, it's absolutely crucial to tackling it head-on. This financial move is not just about reducing debt. It's a strategic step towards a more secure financial future. Number 5. Manage inflation risk. Managing inflation risk is a critical part of building a strong investment portfolio. Inflation is like a sneaky thief that can steal the value of your money over time. To make sure your investments can stand up to inflation, you need to be smart about it. Ray Dalio has some good advice. He says you shouldn't try to predict whether inflation is going up or down. It's a tough guessing game, even for experts. Instead, Dalio suggests something smarter. Create a balanced portfolio that can do well in different economic situations. Here's how it works. Imagine you have a mix of investments like bonds, stocks, real estate, and commodities. When the economy is going through a tough time, bonds can do well. It's like your safe haven when things are not so great. On the other hand, when the economy is growing and doing well, stocks can shine, and that's when you want them to work their magic. And if money becomes tight, having cash on hand can be a good thing. For beginners, this means putting together a collection of investments that can handle the impact of inflation. It's like having different tools in your toolbox for different jobs. By having a variety of investments, you're better prepared to face changing economic conditions with confidence. So remember, managing inflation risk is about having a well-balanced portfolio that can adapt to different economic situations. It's your way of keeping your money safe from the sneaky thief called inflation. Number 6. Value investing. Value investing is a simple but powerful strategy, especially when you're planning to use it for the long haul. The key is to avoid getting caught up in quick money-making schemes driven by short-term market trends. Instead, value investing focuses on buying shares in strong companies that will keep doing well, and eventually the market will realize how valuable they are. Buffett had something to say about it. In the short term, the market is like a popularity contest. In the long term, it's more like a weighing machine. What he means is that in the short run, the stock market can be influenced by what's popular or trendy, but over time, it really measures the true value of a company. Buffett's secret is that he looks at companies' real potential and stability, not just their stock prices. He checks out the whole company, not just the price of a single share. However, he also likes to buy stocks when he thinks they're a good deal, like getting a discount at a sale. So if you're into value investing for the long term, remember that it's about picking strong companies and not getting distracted by short-lived market crazes. It's like looking for solid, long-lasting investments rather than quick wins. Stock market investment can be a rewarding journey for beginners, only when they follow sound investment strategies. Taking baby steps and not jumping into traps is also extremely important when it comes to investing because the loss can be incomprehensible, especially for beginners. Patience and critical thinking are essential to stay afloat and keep going for a long time in this industry. These principles, inspired by investment legends Ray Dalio and Warren Buffett, provide a solid foundation for anyone looking to start their investment journey. And that is it for the video, folks. Hope you found it helpful. Like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to stay in the loop.